this is a tour of room 25 at the Premier Inn, Southampton West in Ower in Romsey. It's a family room, so we've got a double bed and 2 rollaway single beds. Have a quick look outside to see what the view's like out the window. It's just straight onto the car park. We've got a heater there. There's no air conditioning, but there is this heater. Keep us warm at night. Lights each side of the double bed. We've got a desk here with tea and coffee making facilities. Breakfast menu for tomorrow. Standard Premier Inn breakfasts. Children eat free when you're paying adults, so Matthew and Holly are going to be free tomorrow. We've got a compact wardrobe there. We've got mirror, vanity mirror, and a hairdryer there. Place to hang up your coats there. And in the bathroom, just standard Premier Inn bathroom, toilet, sink, shower above the bath, plenty of towels, and that's about it really. Holly, do you want to say anything?
Please remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye!